I honestly sit at my desk and think about all the time how easy my first year has been because of how well prepared I've been by FC and the ed department. I feel like some of my requirements at FC were somewhat even more challenging than it is in the real job, which just makes this feel like a breeze. And it feels like I'm doing the same thing as I was in my internship, just now I don't have any homework, so it's really nice.
Well, I can say that Savannah doesn't present as a first-year teacher. She is very well prepared for all of her lessons. She has very meaningful questions for her team that's supporting her in building lessons, and she's contributing just as much.
In the education program at Florida College, we find it's really easy for us to weave in spiritual concepts into the teaching practices that we're teaching our teachers how to do. So we do that by showing them how the life of Christ was the life of a perfect teacher. Everything that he did, the way he reached people with a message that was fit for them, is exactly what we want our teachers to do when they go into the classroom.
After 4 years, you leave FC with a teaching certification. You have to apply for it, but everything that we do makes sure that you'll be certified by the time you graduate. And I got to leave FC also being special needs certified, and all I had to do was take an extra test. They even give you like testing classes at FC to be able to pass all of these, and I was so well prepared I was able to pass all of them on the first try, and I had all my certifications ready to go right when I got hired, and that definitely gave me the upper hand when it came to the hiring process. I know some of the teachers even at this school are working on certifications, working on passing the tests, and so it gives FC students the upper hand with employers because they're certified in everything they need to be certified in.
Well, in all honesty, I started asking more about Florida College and what are they doing at that university that is supporting teachers the way that they are, because the experience that we've had both with Krista Trimble and Savannah Fruman is extraordinary. They build a community within their classrooms where the children want to be there and they feel a part of a family. They've really both come in with tremendous skills that we appreciate.
And I was able to get a job here before I even graduated, so I felt so much peace being able to walk across the graduation stage and know that I had my next step in life had already been planned out and settled.
We teach them how to pray for their students. We teach them how to live a life that shines a light of hope that we know is the gospel message. But we also want them to then learn how they can interact with their colleagues and co-workers and show them the way that living for Christ brings hope in this world that is driven by chaos.
We're fortunate to have Florida College just around the corner for us, but the Tampa Bay area is the third largest school district in the state of Florida. So there are lots of opportunities at many schools that could benefit from the students that are coming prepared for education and for the classroom from Florida College.
My boss told me, she said that after what she's seen out of myself and out of Krista Trimble downstairs, she would love to hire more people from Florida College. And even just when I was an intern, you can just tell the level of preparedness and you can tell the level of professionalism is different. And I know that has to do with the rigor and the high expectations that we had throughout our 4 years in that program.
I would absolutely hire more Florida College graduates. Please send them my way.